Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today I will tell you about the brain, the parts of brain and the functioning of brain in our body. I tell you about the different parts of brain. Well, middle part of the brain, the parietal lobe helps a person identify object. Red area in the brain show the parietal lobe. The next purple area show the occipital lobe. Occipital lobe is the back part of the brain that is involved with vision. It helps us to see the object, identify the object, etc. The third part is cerebellum. The cerebellum plays a role in motor, movement, regulation and balance control. The peach area in the brain show the cerebellum. At the end of the brain, the tube-like structure show the spinal cord. The spinal cord's main purpose is to carry signals throughout our body. It takes the message from the brain and sends the signal by nerves whole body. Next, the yellow portion show us the temporal lobe. Temporal lobe are involved in short-term memory, speech, musical rhythm and some degree of smell recognition. Now the turn of the large and major portion of the brain. It is frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is the part of brain that controls high-level cognitive skills and primary motor functions. In this way, my video is complete. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video,